Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural disasters on Event channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to put a like, comment and subscribe. It will help me to evolve the channel. You are welcome. In the heart of Turkey, a cataclysmic event unfolded, a scene of surreal chaos and despair. Istanbul, the majestic city, became the stage for an unanticipated and ferocious tempest, unleashing its fury upon the land. On the fateful Thursday of September 28, the heavens wept torrents upon this ancient metropolis, particularly targeting the European side with relentless vengeance. Başakşehir, Başakşehir, Şişli, Arnavutköy, Küçükçekmece, and Gaziosmanthasa, once vibrant districts, were now plunged into a nightmare of epic proportions. Streets were transformed into murky rivers, and the very fabric of daily life was swept away by the relentless deluge. The heavens wept incessantly, casting their tears upon the city of Istanbul, as thunderstorms of biblical proportions raged across the land. Social media became a canvas of despair, where haunting images of inundated streets and cars, only partially visible beneath the merciless waters, bore witness to the city's anguish. In this dark hour, Istanbul was paralyzed, its once thriving streets rendered lifeless by the unforgiving waters. Nature's wrath knew no bounds, and the city's heartbeat was stilled by these incredible flash floods. A calamity that etched itself indelibly upon the collective memory of a city that had witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.